How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, and my kids call me Dad, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. Now this one here is a little bit of a different story. This coach actually never made it to the website. The wonderful couple who purchased this unit came out to look at something else, saw this one getting ready, and said that's the one. And that happens more often than you'd think. We've always had an open door policy here. You're welcome to come out, spend as much or as little time as you want walking through units, even ones that haven't hit the internet yet. And a lot of times that real world experience helps people figure out what they actually want in a way that photos and videos just can't. So while this one is already sold, we've always got inventory in the pipeline, so if you're seriously looking for something like you see here on our YouTube channel, the best thing you can do is come spend a little time with Lukey Poo and the crew at Kuhn Truck and RV.
Alrighty folks, here we are inside of this 2008 Pleasureway Excel TS. Before we get started, I want to make sure you guys are fully aware that this unit is already sold. So before anybody asks, why are you posting this video if this is already sold? It is at the special request of the new customers, as they are big YouTube fans of ours and they wanted to have the video of their RV. So what happened here and how did this get sold before hitting the YouTube channel? So when I was about halfway through getting this video done for you guys, these folks came out here to see us to look at a different unit. While they're here, they saw this one and one thing led to another, and this ended up being the one for them. So we are going to kind of go ahead and truncate this version of the tour here a little bit and skip some of the measurements, since you can get a lot of those here in other Pleasureway Excel TS videos that we have. We've got the tow vehicle hooked up behind this one. Levi's going to be heading out tomorrow morning to deliver this one to the customers. So I'm going to skip some of the particulars, but we got the hard surface flooring here in the middle, help things keep things clean, carpet in the back, usual entryway with the storage spot in the door, railing to help you get up and in, various light switches. Storage up here above the door for grabbing things that you want to get as you head in and out of the coach. Levels test, these are notoriously finicky, so don't consider these gospel. Water pump on off, pumps the water to the fresh water, from out of the freshwater tank to the sink, shower, or toilet. This is the Onan 2800 generator. This runs on gas. This will stop running around a quarter tank, so you cannot strain yourself. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians as usual. 62 hours on that. Water heater on off. Here I'm giving you particulars like the 62 hours.
Till I get going.
Got another light switch here. Flipping around here, got our microwave, runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Cabinet here with some various cushions. Spot to hang jackets and things there. Table leg. Board for making up the big bed. Got storage with our water pump down beneath. Three-way fridge freezer. We do have some discoloration in the bottom of this one. Guys, try cleaning that up. This is shut in here because we're parked on an incline. Best recommendation for that is a mat or painting the bottom of that if somebody has an issue like that. Solid surface countertops with a single basin sink. 2-burner propane cooktop. Nice backsplash there. Fantastic fan in the center of the coach. Runs on the coach battery system. Gonna bring the cool outside air in through your screen windows. Nice big mirrors here on the bathroom entry. Easy to get into the bathroom area. Everything's gonna drain right into the floor. Got 3 drawers in the vanity. Solid surface counters. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Got the screen stink vent here in the bathroom. Little rail for your toiletries and things. Hang your towel there. Pull the curtain around you to help keep the water contained. So I think that this is a perfect example of why there is definitely some specific advantages to making a trip to us in person to see our motorhomes, because oftentimes there are things that aren't ready yet, just like this one that people come, they see, and they say, well, what's that one out back? And we say, that's one we're getting ready, and depending on where it is in the process, we may be able to have that ready for you very quickly. Could still be a little while, but we can definitely go over those kind of particulars, and that is all very helpful if you make the trip to us in person. We can go through those kind of things then. Screen windows on both sides. Got the power sofa here. Gonna push the button right over here. It's gonna operate that. You can drop the board in here to make up the big bed. Knobs for the air conditioner are on the unit itself. That will run on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. This is a TV antenna. Got some seat belts here in the back for taking some guests along with you. Got an AC 110 plug-in here, so you can charge phones, laptops, things like that. Turn this into a mobile gaming or workstation back here with the table mount. Electrical panels back here. Noxious gas detector down here. And we got the screen windows on both sides, curtains in the back throughout for privacy. Why did the rabbit go to the salon? He was having a bad hair day. Got a counter flip out here, reveals an AC 110 plug-in down here. Always nice having more of those. Can flip the TV out here, access some storage, 12 volt DC, 110 AC plugs. Got an inverter here. Power for the TV area. DVD player, you can swivel that out to face the front if you'd like to watch TV from the front area. Helps create two different zones here in these camper vans. Again, I want to give a shout out to Carl and Amy. It's really awesome meeting them. Inflate, deflate, check the pressure on the rear airbag suspension there. We got some stuff of theirs tucked in here as they were planning on staying in this. And since it wasn't quite ready to list yet, we were just finishing up the advertisement. There was just a few things that we wanted to button up for them. And we told them that it is of our opinion that we would rather have it for you right than right now. So that's why we worked out meeting somewhere here halfway between home for them and us. And Levi's going to head out here in the morning to meet them down in Florence, y'all, in Kentucky. So again, thanks to Carl and Amy. It was really, really awesome meeting you guys. Had a great time showing them around small town Sherwood, Ohio, Crystal Fountain Park, giving them the history lesson as I'm kind of the local historian here, it seems like, these days. And I want to give a thanks to all the people here around town that help make our community so great. Diane Grimm is a local historian who's kind of got me bitten with the bug for local history around here and taught me so much, from the stories about Crystal Fountain Park to just other stuff here in Northwest Ohio that gives us more reason to love the place that we are from. So if you were to set this out against other 2008s, I would say this one is extremely clean. Biggest thing really cosmetically is going to be the bottom of that fridge. I'd say that for Carl and Amy, I'd throw a matte in there or maybe paint that. That'll look better if that bothers you. Doesn't affect the fun or usability of the motorhome here. I'm going to call this one a 9 out of 10. You won't be able to check this one out at truckandrv.com because it's already sold, but check out other pleasureways and small motorhomes like these coming soon at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna go around the outside of this 2008 Pleasureway Excel TS. This motorhome measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper. We have an 11-foot manual awning. We have actual alloy rims with Michelin tires with 5023 date codes. This motorhome is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4 liter V8 engine with 46,377 miles. Really nice looking exterior on this one. Easy to get up and into the coach. Handle to help you get up and in. Back of the refrigerator, furnace exhaust, one coach battery, two AC plug-ins so you can plug things in out here beneath the awning. Good sized storage bay. Coming around out of the back side of the unit, air conditioner up top, storage beneath the power sofa in the rear. This is our awning crank and center rafter. Tow package, it's great for your bike rack, tow a small vehicle or trailer along behind you. Fill the onboard fresh water tank. You'll use the water pump that will bring the water out of that into your sink, shower, or toilet. Back of the water heater. Storage compartment with your 30 amp shore power cord. Sewer hose storage. Outside shower. Wash your feet off after a hike on the beach or keep messes from kids and pets outside of the RV. You're gonna drain the sewer here. You're gonna pull your black first. That's gonna let the toilet go. And then the gray is gonna let your sink and shower go. You're gonna put the coax in here. If you're staying somewhere that has TV, city water in, you'll get the pressure from the hose. Propane tank is mounted to the unit, so you'll have to drive somewhere to have that filled. Gauge to tell them which is in that, valve to turn it on and off. Connect the 30 amp shore power cord here. This is our Onan 2800 generator with the exhaust. Fill the engine and the generator.
Generator will stop running around a quarter tank, so you cannot strand yourself. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified owning technicians on that generator. Really nice unit here in a popular floor plan. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers.